Oh, hey guys, what's up? Didn't see you right there. So what is up, guys? We're gonna be doing a quick video. I wanted to actually film this video a really long time ago. All the B-roll and everything like that. So the house is kind of different, but I wanted to show you guys kind of what you can expect when you're moving to LA and you're trying to see like what can you get for around 2,400 bucks a month. So we're gonna be doing a quick apartment tour. This is all the B-roll that I shot literally a couple months ago. We moved some things around, like my desk now is like it's inside the living room, and like we moved some stuff around, but this is still like a pretty good representation of what the apartment looks like. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2 baths. I think it's like 1,200 square feet, so it's a decent sized apartment with a balcony. Yeah, so with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video and enjoy this montage of the apartment. Let's go.